Okay, just a few things to quickly show you on Windows 10. First is the File Explorer down at the bottom here, the wee sort of yellow foldery thing. If you click on that, you get, just as you had done in the past, a list of all the stuff that's on your computer. As far as the school is concerned, this PC gives you access to your network drives, so that's your personal network drives, and that there is where you get the various departmental network drives. Now that's the old network drives. New is Office 365, and that's what we're wanting departments to move to. So basically every department's going to have to get their stuff out of the old shared drives and into the new shared drives. Easiest way to do that is to have two windows open. If I open up the computing thing here and move it to the right, as soon as the arrow goes off the edge of the screen, when I let go, it fills up half the screen. Down to the File Explorer again, right click and choose File Explorer. I've got another window here, so again I can go to this PC and I can look for Office 365 departments. That's the new network drives, and again grab the top, push to the left hand side this time. When I reach the left hand edge, let go, and there I've now got the two drives open side by side. As with the old drives, if I try and go into a department I don't belong to, I'm not allowed, but I am a member of the computing department, so I can go in there and I can see what's going on. So at the moment I copied just one of the folders across, the current material that we're working on, but say I also wanted this thing here, the Computing Science Subject Booklet, all I need to do is drag and drop, and when I let go it's copied across, and that's something from the old network drive on the new network drive. So that's something to keep you busy when you're twiddling your thumbs and wondering what to do for the next couple of weeks. I paused there to wait for you to throw things at the screen. Now, very quickly, just two or three more things. First of all, the big E down there is for Microsoft Edge. Internet Explorer is still installed, so if you type Explorer, it will come up, Internet Explorer Desktop Apps. So if you've got old bookmarks that you don't want to lose, they're still there, but Microsoft are no longer supporting that, so it will go in the sort of fairly near future. So just get the old bookmarks out of it that you want and transfer to using Edge or Chrome if it's installed, if you prefer. Lastly, clicking on the wee Windows button down in the left hand corner there brings up a whole pile of stuff. Some of it might look fairly frightening, but the point is we've still got an alphabetical list of the apps that are installed on the computer, so we can scroll through them and find what we want. We've still got a search box where we can type the name of the package we want, but over here we've got a little person icon that says that I'm currently logged in, as well as the power switch to turn things on and off. In general, what you want to do is use this one here rather than the on off, so you click on that there and you choose to sign out if you're finished using the machine, or if you're just stepping away for a short while intending to come back and continue working, you can choose lock instead. Lock just means that other people can't access your work, but if you log in again, it will pick up from where you left off.